Hi, my name's Kip, and I'm here on behalf of Expert Village. Today we're making New York style cheesecake. We've now made our pie crust and combined that and mixed that. It's now time to gather the dough into a ball. We'll be adding a little bit of water as we go to help it gather. I'm just going to go ahead and add about a teaspoon at this point. I'm using a quarter teaspoon. I think I got my other one dirty. And I'm going to, with my hands now, just try to press that together and bring that into a ball, into a dough ball. Not with the consistency of bread, but with the consistency of a crust like that of which you would use for apple pie, but this is still very different. But we want to bring it together where it's not overly wet and still, pliable. We want to bring it together so it's not overly wet, somewhere between wet and flaking off. And this looks like it's getting pretty close to what we're going to want. Pick up the extra that's down in there. Okay. Look at that. That's cool. At this point,